Hey, this problem is a level three problem, but it's really not. I put it as a level three because it's really hard to know where to start with this. The first thing I noticed is they put kind of a weird equation here. I call it weird because it just doesn't really make sense to do 2x minus 3y equals 5. And then they have a pretty complicated expression here. So the thing that's going to be the hardest for any SAT person or really anybody is where do you start with this problem? Like it looks like it's got nowhere to start. When I first did this, I did 2x minus 3y minus 5 equals 0. I just brought the 5 over, subtracted 5 from both sides. It turned out this isn't the best move, but I didn't really know where to start. So I just kind of did that. Let me show you. And then I looked at this and I said, you know what? The SATs love factoring. So I'm going to try to factor this and just see what happens. Like it's really just kind of guess and check of what to do, but you don't want to start like plugging in X and Y with like these weird values. That's not going to really help anything. But I think factoring is going to get me something along these lines. So let's see. It's when I say factor, I mean I'm going to do these looking things in parentheses. 4x squared. I know it's got to be. Well, I don't know it, but I'm just guessing, and I don't know. I'm just using my math ability, my math common sense to go, okay, it's probably going to be 2x and 2x. Here's why. I see the 2x here. So I think they're trying to do something sneaky here. And so I'm going to go with what they have just to see. I know 9y squared is going to be 3y and 3y because that will give you 9y squared. And again, I did that. I didn't do 9 and 1 because I've got this negative 3y. So I'm thinking they're up to something. Now, to get it exactly right, I need negative and negative. Now, I don't trust myself if I'm a student. If you trust yourself, great. If not, you can just go ahead and check it. 2x and 2x is 4x squared. That works. 2x and negative 3y is negative 6xy. Negative 3y and 2x is negative 6xy. So that gives you the negative 12xy. And then 3y times 3y is 9y squared. So I know that that's a legal move that I did. Now, will it help me? I don't know. But let's see here. All right. So it's saying, what is the value of this if it's this? So, wow, look at this. 2x minus 3y is equal to what? 5. So that's 5. That's 5. And what's 5 times 5? 25. And that's your answer.